All right, how you doing? Vitabox here, and we're gonna crush some ice with the old school Vitamix. It could be a 3600 or 4000 like I have. It's just the one that has the switch that goes up and down, and you have 3 speeds. And we're gonna do a very easy ice crushing. So the way I like to do this is just to get 4 ice cubes, standard size, from any ice cube tray. And I like to fill the gaps of the blades on each corner. Gonna get the lid, put that on there. So for this operation, I like to do it with the tap release technique, and that is just to take your fist and just kind of tap down, just like that. And this is spring loaded, so it's gonna come back to the off position. Now, I like to do this starting out at high, and this kind of initially breaks the huge ice cubes. And then once that happens, I'll switch to a lower speed and just kind of juggle the switch back and forth like this until I get the results that I want. It's pretty fast, so you got to be very careful. But it's a lot of fun, so let's do it. All right, we got our ice cubes, high speed, and I'm going to tap it. Switch to low speed. That's pretty crushed enough. There's going to be some larger chunks in there, but depending on how fine you want it, you don't want to go any farther than that. And believe me, I've powdered snow quite a few times in this thing trying to practice for this video. So I got my glass, got my results, and I got my Vitamix spatula here. And that's it. It's just crushed ice. Perfect for beverages. Nice little soda pop. And you can just repeat that process over and over again, and if you need a larger quantity, but that's just how I like to do it. And that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, all those types of things, and enjoy your day.